Now, thank you so much, guys. With me. I have a picture. Picture cover yan ng CD. Nope, hindi ako lumabas ng bagong record. Ito ang ipapasa ko sa second season ng Pinoy Idol. Kung meron mang second season. Paano ko nagawa yan? Well, I recorded my voice. They recorded my face while singing. Meron tayong instant video studio, recording studio, yun. Paano nangyari yan? Pasok tayo dito. Na kung makikita nyo kanina, ayan, nagpili muna ako ng kanta. Siyempre, kailangan pumili ng kanta eh. Alamin mo kung ano kakantahin mo, yung masterpiece mo. Ayan. Pagkatapos yan, sabihin mo na kay Kuya, Kuya, ito yung napili kong kanta. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Siyempre, bare months na ngayon, kailangan medyo tematika. Pwede kang sumayaw. Nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa picture. Ay, sa picture sa TV. Ayan. I'm ready. Kumanta na ako? Ang problema nga lang, nakikita ka ng mga tao sa labas. So yan, hindi naman ako magaling kumanta, pero well, hey, they can hear you sing. Buti lang, hindi malakas ang ulan. Okay, and after that, tapos na ako kumanta. Pagkatapos ko ng kanta, sabihin ko kay Kuya, hey Kuya, okay na, gusto ko nang i-record ang aking kanta, pati video, correct? Now, mabilis lang yan. Ipiprint nila to, ipiprint nila ang cover, at the same time, yan, see, I'm choosing the background ng CD ko. Yan, na-print out na kagad. After na-print out, ni-record na yung CD. Nagagawin nila, ipipeel off nila yung sticker na yan. Yan yung magiging cover. See? Yan yung magiging cover. Ilalagay na sa CD. And voila. Now, alam mo kinaganda dito? Ang kinaganda dito, pwede mo nang iuwi. Correct? At hindi lang yan. Sa sobrang accessible nito, sobrang useful nito, sabihin natin meron kang mga, families abroad, isaksak mo na to sa computer mo, download mo na sa internet, you can send it via email, and then pwede mo nang i-brag ang iyong talents. Hindi ba? Alright, thank you. Siyempre kasama natin ngayon si Mr. Butch Dino, the proud owner. Sir, beautiful, how much do you have to pay? Kunyari, you record a song first.
Well, first two songs is 250 pesos and succeeding songs is 50 pesos each.
Alam mo, na-interesado ako dun sa gumagalaw na scenery because like for example, if I want to sing sa Paris with the Eiffel Tower behind me, pwede rin yun.
Of course, you can live your fantasy. Anything that you could think of, like you could sing on top of the Eiffel Tower, is what you said. Yes. You can be married in Basilica of Rome.
With multiple partners.
Yes, yes.
So pwede rin sabihin natin Bible study kasi yun yung talagang ginagawa ko, Bible study. Yeah, anyways, thank you so much, Sir Butch. Numbers to call if they interested.
Yes, they can call 659-3963 or 659-0205.
Thank you so much, Mr. Butch. Okay, mamaya, we'll give thanks to everyone na kasama natin dito. Lahat ng instant thank you tayo mamaya. Okay, in advance, happy birthday to NBI Director Nestor Mantaring. There you go, back to studio muna tayo. Hindi naman kayo kumanta eh. Paano ko kakanta kayo? You had my heart.